अनन्तरं श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः इति उक्त्वा आरम्भं कुर्मः। अस्तु, चलतु। Just sorry, before Arambham Kurma, just one request is that every time we do the Om, I have been mentioning that over the last few classes, but when we're doing the Om, uh, and also how the Sanskrit language has evolved, it really has to do about becoming receivers of certain universal sounds. That I think is a very significant characteristic of this language. The aspect of being a receiver of cosmic sounds, and as a result of that, a transmitter. Okay, so as much as we can do that, so what I'd like you to do, what I'd invite you to explore rather, is that as you do this, as we do the Om, especially, to try and sort of reduce the noise of your own system. So try to just make it as quiet as possible, and then just feel the immensity of the universe. And as you allow that to formulate itself as the O, then just feel that sound coming through. Astu, just try and do that. So I'll just suggest you close your eyes, and try and just take a minute to connect to this visualization. So everybody, if you can just close your eyes and connect to this visualization of the cosmos there. So just try and feel the immensity and the the eternality of this, of the universe, and look at yourself as a channel in that image. And I just like, as you close your eyes, and holding that, I'd like you to then do the sound Om 3 times, but as much as possible as a transmitter of that huge cosmic wave of energy. So keeping your eyes closed, I'd like you to do the sound Om 3 times. Chalat. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Atha. अस्तु, तर्हि अद्य एवं कुर्मः. सो इदानीं अहं गणद्वयस्य अपि एकत्र करणम् अहम् ekatri kritavati. Ekatri means bring it to one place. Tari पूर्वतन गणः मंडे सोमवारस्य गणस्य बुधवारस्य गणस्य एकं गणं ग्रूपं कृतवती. तर्हि अभ्यासस्य अपि उत्तमः अवसरः भविष्यति. So what I thought we can do is आरम्भे एकं गीतं गायामः. गीतं कृत्वा अहं एकं नूतनं अद्य in my IIT वर्गे विभक्तिबोधः इण्ट्रेस्टिङ्ग् रूपेण अभवत्, रुचिरप्रकारेण अभवत्. अहं तत् वदामि. अस्तु, आरम्भे गीतं कुर्मः. अहम् एतद् संस्कृतभारत्याः गीतमस्ति. संस्कृतभारत्याः शिबिरं क्याम्प् एतस्य गीतस्य गानं भवति. वदतु वदतु.
अनुराधा जी, is this all recorded?
रेकार्डेड् अस्ति. अस्माकं मित्रं सुन्दरेशन् एतत् यूट्यूब् चैनल एकः अस्ति, तत्र स्थापयति.
लिखितुं नावश्यकं, शृणोतु.
एतत् श्रवणं पर्याप्तं. पुनः पुस्तकमपि अस्ति. अहं पुनरपि पुस्तकं ददामि. तत् टेक्स्ट् बुक् मध्ये अस्ति. पूर्वतन टेक्स्ट् बुक् मध्ये एव अस्ति. तत् पाठ्यपुस्तके अस्ति. एतद् गीतं प्रथमगीतं पठत संस्कृतम् इति. अस्तु, can you all read it? पठितुं शक्नुवन्ति किम्? अस्तु, चलतु. पठत संस्कृतम्. No, you can unmute too. It's nice to get.
पठत संस्कृतं वदत संस्कृतं.
Don't go ahead. Please don't go ahead. Just repeat after me. Astu agre ma gachatu. Okay. So, and do it with actions. Hasta sahitam kurvantu. Tari. पठत
संस्कृतं वदत संस्कृतं.
One second. So what I suggest is that I'll start from the beginning. Don't say ahead of me. Astu, so I will say it and you repeat after me, for the simple reason that there are many of you. If there are too many voices, then those who are listening to the song for the first time will not be able to catch the precision of the pronunciation. Astu, Tari, please repeat after. पठत संस्कृतं वदत संस्कृतं पठत संस्कृतं वदत संस्कृतं लसतु संस्कृतं चिरं गृहे गृहे च पुनरपि ज्ञानवैभवम् वेदवाङ्मयम् लसति यत्र भवभया अपहारि मुनिभिरार्जितम्. Not so easy, I can see. So what I'll do is I'll go slowly and I'll take my cursor down those words, so you can maybe follow it a little more easily. Okay, so Jnana Vaibhavam Vedavangmayam लसति यत्र भवभया अपहारि मुनिभिः अर्जितम् कीर्तिरार्जिता यस्य प्रणयनात् यासभास कालिदास बाणमुख्य स्थानमूर्जितम् यस्य मन्वते वाग्विचिन्तका हि वाक्षु यस्य वीक्ष्य मधुरता यद्विना जना नैव जानते भारतीय संस्कृतिं सनातनाभिधाम्बराम् Together let us try. Patata
संस्कृतं वदत संस्कृतं लसतु संस्कृतं चिरं ग्रहे ग्रहे
पुनरपि
जयतु संस्कृतं
जयतु संस्कृतं
संस्कृतिस्तथा
संस्कृतस्य संस्कृतेश्च प्रणयनाच्च मनुकुलम् जयतु संस्कृतम्
जयतु संस्कृतम्
जयतु मनुकुलम्
जयतु मनुकुलम्
जयतु संस्कृतम्
जयतु
जयतु मनुकुलम्
जयतु मनुकुलम्
पठत संस्कृतं
वदत संस्कृतं
लसतु संस्कृतं गृहे गृहे च
पुनरपि एतद् गीतं संस्कृतस्य महिमा विषये वदति.
Okay.
तर्हि किं वदति? पठत संस्कृतं. So all of you कृपया पठत संस्कृतं and वदत संस्कृतं. किमर्थं? लस अत्र स अस्ति, it can't be seen so clearly, but लसतु संस्कृतं चिरं. चिरं सर्वदा लसतु, let it flourish. Kutra, kutra, grihe, grihe cha, punarapi.
Once again.
Implying that at some point it was there, it has got lost, and punarapi, let it flourish. Astu. Then what is the nature of the Sanskrit Bhasha? Jnana Vaibhavam. Vaibhavam is the wealth and the greatness. So Jnana Vaibhavam, this wealth of Jnanam. What is that wealth of Jnanam? Veda Vangmayam. The whole
Veda
of
Vangmayam.
Vedic knowledge. It's not just the Vedas, but the whole Vangmayam, including the Vedanga, Veda, the different Vedas, the different aspects of the Vedas, the Vedanga, all of that together. Lasati yatra bhava bhaya. Okay. So in the Veda Vangmayam kim asti? Bhava bhaya. Bhava is the Prithvi, samsara.
Bhaya.
Bhaya, fear.
Fear.
Apahari, that which removes. Who has found this? Munibhir arjitam. Munibhir arjitam, actually. So by the Munis, this knowledge that removes the fear of the samsara was earned by them, was discovered in the Veda Vangmayam. And lasati yatra. In the Sanskrit language, it flourishes. It grows. It is nurtured and it grows. Next, Kirti Rajita. Kirti means fame.
Fame.
Arjita, that means they have earned. Yasya pranayanat, with a close engagement with it, by a love for this language, by a close engagement with this language, pranayanat, who all have earned fame. Vyasa, Bhasa, Kalidasa, Bana, Mukhya Kavibhihi. All these Mukhya Kavis have earned fame by having a close association, engagement, and love for this language. Astu. Next, Sthanam Urjitam. Urja, anybody? Urja, Artha, Kaha?
Energy.
Energy.
Yes, Manvate. By the very thinking of it, that place has got energized. Sthanam Urjitam, Yasya Manvate. Vak Vichintaka hi Vakshu. So Vak Vichintaka, all those who have thought about speech and language and all of that, hi Vakshu, in speech, Yasya Vikshya Madhuratam. By looking at the sweetness of this language. Astu. Yat vina janaha, without which janaha, naiva janate, they don't know. What don't they know if they don't know Sanskritam? Bharatiya Sanskritim. Then Sanatana Bhidham Varam. So those of the highest knowledge seekers, the Varam, their eternal knowledge and wisdom of the Bharatiya Sanskriti, this they will not have access to. Jayatu Sanskritam, Sanskritis tatha. So if Sanskritam is brought back, is victorious again, Sanskriti, the culture also will be revived. Astu. Sanskritasya Sanskritescha. Pranayana. So of Sanskritam and of Sanskriti. Pranayana. Pranayana would be the, again, close engagement and love for that language. Manukulam. So by this close engagement, Sanskrit and Sanskriti will be victorious. Jayatu Sanskritam, Jayatu Manukulam. So the word Manu is interesting because Manushya, Mana, it comes from Mana. Manu, Manushya, it all has the same root of Mana in it. So Manukulam, the whole lineage of Manu, which means the whole human species really. Jayatu Jayatu Sanskritam, Jayatu Jayatu Manukulam. Iti Gitasya Arthaha asti tatra. Astu. So what I'd like us to do next is Atra Gachama Aham Tad Vadami Ekavaram. So what struck is that when you have about just going down the Vibhaktis and understanding, because we are trying to understand the Vibhaktis in various manners. So another way of understanding, let's say the philosophical basis of the Vibhaktis is this, that the universe exists. So the creation exists beyond our individualized presence in it. Creation sarvada bhavati, srishtihi sarvada bhavati. Vayam agachamaha gachamaha. we are अस्माकं entry अस्ति exit अस्ति, but creation सृष्टिः सर्वदा चलति. अस्तु, तर्हि वयं यदा आगच्छामः, when we enter this picture, what is the most basic verb that we would use? Or which are the two basic verbs that would be used to describe this movement of creation? Or our role in that, our presence in that?
Sundar.
No, verb, not adjectives.
Verb.
What are we
Oh,
doing? What is the
To
verb?
be. To be.
To be asti and
Isthami.
another and
To do.
Asmi.
to do. These are two very basic verbs. That
To be, to do.
yes, to be and to do. So the moment we enter, because the jagat, the word jagat itself implies that which is in movement. So in the Sanskrit language, you've got lots of synonyms for this verb to move, the movement, to go, to move, to do. There are many synonyms for these verbs. So when we're entering the picture, the most basic reality is our existence. So asti. And associated with that existence, there is a subject. Somebody is. Okay. So that is your prathama vibhakti. When we are the subject, when we are the subject of the different actions that are taking place. Okay. Next, when we are doing something, then there is an object of our action. So the second vibhakti is the object. What are you doing? What are we doing? Then when that object is there, then the question that we do, how are we relating to that object? How are we doing whatever we are doing? But that how will also be qualified or will be further defined by why we are doing that. Right? So the karana, how are we doing that, is also connected to the why, the sampradana. Okay, which is the purpose. So aham anandaya sanskritam pathami. Why am I studying Sanskrit? Anandaya sanskritam pathami. So the why is important. But the moment you have a destination, why, and you have a means, you also have to talk of the source. From where are you going to get where we are getting? So that from is the Panchami Vibhakti or the Apadana. From this point onwards. So that from is important, Apadana. Okay. And then the fact is also that each one of us is going through this in our own personal story. It is my story. Each one of us can say this is my story. So there is the concept of a belonging to. This is the story of me. So that Shashti Vibhakti has that concept of sambandha. What is my story? Mama, my. It has all those of belonging to. Then the next important point is when is it happening and where is this whole thing taking place? So you have the locative or adhikarana. Okay, that's the next vibhakti. And finally, just the recognition that there are so many stories that are happening and just the recognition, hey there. Okay, that last is the sambodhana, just a recognition of that person's story. Astu. So what we'll do here is that we will just once take this, just revise the different forms of the Pullinga Shabda. Okay. And like I told you with Sanskrit, the requirement is really that you pay attention on the ending of the word. It is the ending of the word which will give you the clue to everything that you want to know about how that word is relating to the other words grammatically in your sentence. So the first one is, let's take the word balakaha, okay, or janakaha. So janakaha asti. Vadatu? Everybody. So janakaha asti. So I'll just go down the vibhaktis and then we'll just do the practice of each of these vibhaktis and along with all of these. Okay. So janakaha asti. Vadatu?
Janakaha asti.
Janakam pashyami.
Janakam pashyami.
Amen.
Again?
Janakaha asti. जनकं पश्यामि
जनकं
Pashyami. I'd like everybody to say it. Kathanam avashyakam asti. Because when you have it in your mouth, it's a very different experience. So, Janakam Pashyami.
Janakam Pashyami.
Also, when you're talking of a location of a destination, as in a location, as a destination, so Vidyalaya, Vidyalayam Gachami.
Vidyalayam
गच्छामि
Gachami.
Uttamam. Vidyalayam Gachami.
विद्यालयं
गच्छामि
गच्छामि
This is important because this is telling you the ending of the Vibhakti. Vidyalayam Gachami.
विद्यालयं गच्छामि
Gachami.
Uttamam. Then you're doing something with the Janakaha. So Janakena Saha Gachami. Or Janakena Gachami.
येन सह गच्छामि
Janakena. Okay.
जनकेन सह गच्छामि
Gachami. Next. Janakaya Dadami.
Janakaya Dadami.
So there is this Aya. Do that. Janakaya. Do that.
ददामि
Dadami.
Janakaya Namami. There are two verbs.
जनकाय नमामि
Then Janakat, the next from. So Janakaya and Janakat. Do that.
जनकात्
So in the movement itself, you can feel the way the vowels are being placed. So Janakaya,
जनकाय जनकात्
Janakat, Swikaromi.
जनकात्
Swikaromi. Okay. So Janakaya Dadami.
Janakaya Dadami.
Janakat
जनकात्
Swikaromi.
स्वीकरोमि
Uttamam. Astu. Then Janakasya Nama Ashokaha.
जनकस्य नाम अशोकः
Janake Buddhi Asti.
जनके बुद्धिः
अस्ति
Tamam. Janake.
जनके
अस्ति
Asti. Hey Janaka.
हे
जनक
Hey Janaka.
Janaka.
Uttamam. Astu. So let's just do the word independently. So let's say Janakaha.
जनकः
जनकः
Asti.
पश्यामि
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 जनकः पश्यामि
जनक
Pashyaami.
Again.
Janakam
जनकः पश्यामि
Ending is important. So
Janakam
जनकं
जनकं
Pashyaami.
Tamam. Janakam Pashyami. Next. Or
Janakain
no, Vidyalayam. So Vidyalayam.
विद्यालयं
गच्छामि
गच्छामि
Punaha.
विद्यालयं
विद्यालयं
गच्छामि
गच्छामि
Uttamam. Then
Janakena
जनकेन दधामि
Gachami.
जनकेन
ददामि
ददामि
Uttamam.
स्मरामि
Next.
जनकाय
जनकात् जनकात्
Nama.
Before that, please follow. Don't go ahead. So
Janakaya Vadami.
जनकाय वदामि
Janakaya Dadami. Not
जनकाय
ददामि
ददामि
Vadami.
जनकाय
नमामि
नमामि
जनक
जनक
Janakat
स्वीकरोमि
Karomi. Janakat
करोमि
स्वीक
जनकस्य
जनकस्य नाम अशोकः
Ashoka.
Your own person in Janaka.
स्य
Uttamam. Then
जनक
जनकेन
अस्ति
बुद्धि अस्ति
जनके
जनके
बुद्धि
बुद्धि
अस्ति
अस्ति
again
जनके
जनके
बुद्धि
बुद्धि
अस्ति
हे जनक
हे
हे
जनक
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 हे जनक
हे जनक
आगच्छतु
हे जनक
जनक हे
आगच्छतु उपविशतु whatever then you're asking the person let's take another word and see if you're able to do the form, like apply what we have learned onto another one, because I told you the characteristic again of Sanskrit is that you learn one word and you can apply it to a billion other words that you would never have even heard of or dreamt of, which don't even exist. But whenever it will exist, if it ends with an it is going to behave like this. That's an assurance. Astu. So if you take another word like gayakaha,
गायकः अस्ति
let me change the ending. No, I will change the ending for you, because otherwise it becomes, let's say ekam shabdam vadatu chhatraha. Okay, so a completely different ending. So
छात्रः
छात्रः
अस्ति
अस्ति
छात्रः छात्रं पश्यामि
again,
पश्यामि
छात्रं
पश्यामि
पश्यामि
छात्रेण
छात्रेण सह गच्छामि
just one small detail here, because you have the rakara, it will become chhatre na saha gacchami or chhatre na gacchami. Saha is just an added thing, so it's saying along with. The saha is along with.
गच्छामि
So chhatrena, going with the student, chhatrena saha, along with.
छात्रेण
छात्रेण सह गच्छामि
छात्राय ददामि
छात्राय
छात्रात्
करोति
स्वीकरोमि
स्वीकरोमि
छात्राय नमामि
Svikaro
छात्राय नमामि
tamam. Next,
छात्रात्
छात्रात्
स्वीकरोमि
छात्रस्य नाम
छात्रस्य नाम
अशोकः
छात्रस्य नाम अशोकः
Excuse me, this Janakat Swikaromi, that one Chatrat Swikaromi, what is that? I didn't get that.
Janakat. So chhatra swikaromi means to accept or to
Yes.
take. So chhatrat, from the chhatra.
Yeah.
So to the
Janaka
chhatra
say.
and from.
No,
Say.
Chatras. Is that Chatrat or Chatras?
Chatrat.
Chatras. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Astu.
Chatrat Swikaromi.
Swikaromi. And then chatrasya nama ashokah.
छात्रे
छात्रे
बुद्धि अस्ति
What? Chhatre utsahah asti.
छात्रे
Chhatre Sanskrit prema asti. Sanskrit prema asti. Uttamam. Then
हे छात्र
hey chhatra. Uttamam.
छात्र
Uttamam. You remember last time. So we have this. Now the good news is that the Napunsakalinga behaves almost
Like
identically, except for the first case. So here it is Janakaha asti. There it will be Mitram asti. So let's try to go down one lot.
मित्रम्
अस्ति
मित्रं
पश्यामि
Mitram Pashyami.
Mandiram.
गच्छामि
गच्छामि
Uttamam. Mitrena.
मित्रेण
गच्छामि
Mitrena saha gacchami.
मित्राय
Mitraya
ददामि
dadami.
और मित्राय
ददामि
नमस्करोमि
मित्रात् करोमि
मित्राय
स्वीकरोमि
Sorry, mitraya namami also. And
मित्रात् स्वीकरोमि
करोमि
mitrat swikaromi. Anantaram
मित्रस्य नाम
नाम
अशोकः
गोविन्दः
मित्रे अस्ति
अस्ति
बुद्धि अस्ति
it is in today in Kali Yuga, it is important to also specify mitre sadbuddhi asti. Buddhi paryata. That's why when you say big that one, no, Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarva Satkaryeshu Sarvada. Okay. So the last one,
हे
last.
मित्र
Hey Mitra.
हे मित्र हे मित्र
Let's take another one with Vimanam.
विमानम्
विमानम्
विमानम् अस्ति विमानं
विमानम्
पश्यामि
Then
विमानेन
विमानेन सह
गच्छामि
Vimanena gacchami. Next.
विमानेन
विमानाय ददामि
विमानाय
विमानाय ददामि
विमानाय ददामि
विमानात्
स्वीकरोमि
करोमि
Vimanasya. No.
नाम
Vimanat
indigo
swikaromi. Ha. Vimanat yana petikam swikaromi.
स्वीकरोमि
Ha. Yana petika suitcase.
विमानयात्
Yana petika. So Vimanat yana petikam
करोमि स्वीकरोमि विमानस्य नाम
one. Vimanat avatarami.
अवतरामि
Uttamam. Ha?
Meaning it's standing.
विमानस्य नाम इंडिगो
Uttamam. Vimanasya naam.
विमानस्य नाम इण्डिगो
Anantaram.
विमाने
विमाने
गमनं करोमि
न
Vimane gamanam karomi, it becomes the instrument. So you cannot use that. Vimane kim kim asti or ka asti.
विमानचालकः
प्रवासी
Yatrikaah santi.
विमाने उपविशामि
Vimane upavishami uttamam. Okay, kutra upavishati vimane upavishati.
विमाने उपविशति
विमाने
उपविशामि
उपविशामि
यात्रा
Hey.
हे विमान
विक्रम चला
Astu. So what we'll do is we'll try and use a little bit of the Bhavishya Kala, and we'll try and use these different Kimvadama. We'll try and go step by step and just revise the different vibhaktis. Astu. So Bhavishya Kala Smaranti Adya
अद्य
अद्य
Shvaha
श्वः
श्वः परश्वः
Adya Uttamam. Tari idanim, how are you going to use with the first vibhakti? Balakaha gacchati, mitram gamishyati, any one of these verbs. If you'd like to make a sentence using any one of these verbs of Bhavishya Kala. Adya, not Adya. Shwaha, Parashwaha, Praparashwaha, Agami. If you'd like to use that and use a Bhavishya Kala.
Okay.
बालकः आगामि सोमवारे विद्यालयं गच्छति
Uttamam. Balakaha Agami Somavare
सोमवारे विद्यालयं गच्छति
Uttamam.
गच्छति वा गमिष्यति वा
Gamishyati.
गमिष्यति
Satyam. Gamishyati. Uttamam. Anyat?
श्वः अहं मन्दिरं गमिष्यामि
Shwaha aham mandiram gamishyami. Uttamam.
श्वः बालकः आगमिष्यति गृहम् आगमिष्यति
Shwaha balakaha griham agamishyati. Uttamam. What else would you like to use? Try and use some other verbs also. Atra.
बालकः परश्वः परीक्षाय उत्तमं
करिष्यति
उत्तमं he does very well, so I don't know that word for that.
Okay, now. Okay, so maybe I will also take this opportunity to introduce you to the past tense here, because there is a usage of the past tense. So, yaha balakah parikshayam uttamam kritavan.
यः बालकः परीक्षां उत्तमं कृतवान्
Satya. Pariksham uttamam kritavan. So the van is a masculine thing. If it will be a lady, it will be kritavati.
Kritavati.
So what I would recommend you do is that you just stick to the future tense. If you would just like to use simple sentences. But
Aham praparashvaha mandiram gamishyami.
uttamam. Aham praparashvaha mandiram gamishyami. Uttamam. I'd like
Aham
everybody to try and make one sentence.
काशीं करिष्यामि
अहम् अद्य मन्दिरं गच्छामि. So I'm not
Adya gacchami, but
but I have to say future. No? Aham mandiram gamishyami. That is shvaha
Gamishyami. Gamishyami. Uttamam.
gamishyami.
अहं प्रपरस्वः मम पुत्र्यां मिलिष्यामि.
Uttamam. Aham praparashvaha mama.
प्रपरस्व
Whom? The question is, whom will you meet? So which vibhakti will be? Putrim.
पुत्र्यां
Hey. Putrim.
पुत्रीं मिलिष्यामि.
Uttamam. Aham praparashvaha mama putrim melishyami. Uttamam.
अहं परश्वः संस्कृत असाइनमेंटं लेखिष्यामि.
Uttamam.
अहं संस्कृतं पठिष्यामि.
Sanskritam patishyami. Uttamam. Uttamam.
छात्रः अध्यापकं विद्यालये मेलिष्यति.
Uttamam. Kada.
श्वः छात्रः अध्यापकं श्वः विद्यालये मेलिष्यति.
Uttamam. Chhatrah shvah vidyalaye adhyapakam
मिलिष्यति
Anantaram, I'd like everybody to give it a shot. Binaji Vakyam vadati.
Aham agami saptaha chanayam gamishyami.
Uttamam. Aham agami saptahe Chennayam gamishyami. Uttamam. Anyat
अहम् आगामि मासे बेंगलूर नगरे गमिष्यामि.
Bangalore Nagaram. This is connected, no?
Bangalore Nagare.
Just remember this, then you'll never make a mistake. The moment the action is Gamishyati, you will have to have the vibhakti with this.
So I'll be coming to Bangalore.
Bangalore Nagaram Agamishyami. This works for this also.
Agamishyami.
Bangalore Nagaram Agamishyami. Uttamam. Astu. Anybody else? Anyadikam Vakyam?
वैद्याः आगामि दिने कोविडम् औषधं नेष्यति. What's the plural? Neshyanti.
Uttamam. So this is Vaidya. So Neshyanti na Dasyanti. Oh, Vaidyaha Neshyanti. Correct. So all the COVID warriors, वैद्याः आगामि आगामि
Dine, I mean, coming days.
आगामि दिनेषु प्लूरल् भविष्यति देन् कोविड् औषधं नेष्यन्ति उत्तमम् 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 अन्यत्
I want to learn Sanskrit, so I want to try this way. Aham Sanskritam. I don't know what is the word for learning.
Aham patishyami can be said.
Aham Sanskritam patishyami.
Uttamam, uttamam, avashyam. Subbaram Mohoday.
Kendram.
Punarapi vadatu. चलनचित्र
द्रक्ष्यामि
भवान् मित्रेण सह गमिष्यति किम् भवान् आं करोति चेत् संस्कृतस्य अभ्यासः न भवति
बालकानां जलकुण्डेन क्रीडयितुं
दिवाकर महोदय एकक्षणं सुब्बाराव महोदय भवतः साउंड नष्टं भवतः साउंड न कार्यं करोति हा सुब्बाराव महोदय ध्वनि नष्टा अस्ति
Can you hear me now?
Yes. Vadatu?
Aham vadami.
Aham.
Astu. I'll just move on to Divakar ji.
Okay.
Divakar ji vadatu. Bhavan vakyam likhatu.
बालकानाम् आगामि शनिवासरे दशवादने कुण्डं जलकुण्डं क्रीडयिष्यति अस्ति
नहीं you're saying balakana means of the boys
अच्छा
balakaha agami
शनिवासरे दशवादने जलकुण्डेन
not jalakundena just jalakunde क्रीडिष्यन्ति उत्तमम्
अहं वदामि
एकक्षणं माता दीपक महोदय आसीत् अनन्तरं भवति दीपक महोदय
वेदव्यासः आगामि सप्ताहे गणेशं महाभारतं वदिष्यति
वेदव्यासः गणेशम् आगामि शनिवासरे महाभारतं वदिष्यति उत्तमम् उत्तमम् आम् स्वर्णमा
आगामि सप्ताहे जननी मधुरं पक्ष्यति बालकानां कृते मधुरं पक्ष्यति
उत्तमम् आगामि शनिवासरे
जननी बालकानां कृते मधुरं पक्ष्यति
उत्तमम् उत्तमम् उत्तमम्
कुक् विल कुक्
पक्ष्यति I saw it there. Just one second. Subbarao Mahodaya, Kendra Mitrena Saha Gamishyami with the friend. Vadatu, who's next?
Aham praparaswaha mama bandhavena saha pushpabatika darshitum agamishyami.
Uttama.
Pushpabatika. Vatikam.
Darshayitum. Okay. So I'll just take this opportunity since Mahodaya has used this one. I will just take the opportunity to introduce you to these two columns. Astu. So then now that you are making these sentences, as we move down the vibhaktis, you can utilize more verb forms. यदि धातु ज्ञानम् अस्ति, धातु प्रयोग ज्ञानम् अस्ति, तर्हि अधिकवाक्यानि कर्तुं शक्नुवन्ति. You will be able to make more sentences. Okay, so gatva, patitva, all of this means it's the ktva rupam, which means after doing that. Aham griham gatva pakam kritva bhojanam khaditva sanskritam pathayami. So twa means after doing this, after doing this, after doing this, I did that. Astu. Satyam. So if you'd like to use a sentence here just with saying balakaha or chhatraha, shikshakaha, so I'd like those who've not yet made sentences to try and use this and see if you can make sentences. And what would be nice is if everybody tried making sentences and put it on the chat. Ekam vakyam, at least try to utilize, at least try and use two verbs that you are doing. I went there, somebody else also. Mama janakaha apanam gatva vastram kritva, or vastram vastam, or saha mama janakaha bhojanashalam gatva bhojanam khaditva dhanam dattva griham gatavan. Okay, so any sequence of actions, ekam prayatnam kurvantu. I'd like you to try and do it on the chat. And if somebody, some of you can also try making it, especially those who haven't tried. Raghavan Mode,
one question.
Kripaya.
Taking injection, what do you say for taking?
Nitva, nayati.
Injection, nitva.
Injectionam, nitva.
Injectionam, nitva. Shvah dine jwaram get fever.
Jwaram abhavat. Kasya? Bhavatyaha.
Injection.
Mama.
Mama injectionam
nitva agami dine, next day. Agami dine jwaraha
abhavat.
Oh, satyam vadati na vakyam karoti.
Vakyam.
Tari chinta nasti. Astu. Vadatu. Aushadha suchim. Injectionam. Aushadha suchim. Suchim. Even just the suchim. Aushadha suchim nitva. Kaha vakyam karoti? Miradi.
Agami mase mama pautrasya saha kridani gachanti.
Okay. So agami mase. So the moment you say saha, the moment you use saha, your brain has to immediately say tritiya vibhakti.
Okay.
Okay, the moment you say saha, it cannot be anything but the tritiya vibhakti. So agami mase pautre. What will it be?
Gachanti.
Pautrena saha.
Pautrena saha gachanti.
Gamishyami. Kriditum.
Okay, can you say it?
Agami
mase pautrena saha kriditum gamishyami. Okay. Agami mase pautrena saha kriditum gamishyami.
Uttamam. So this last here means to do. It means to do. It's the infinitive form.
Okay.
Pathitum विद्यालयं गच्छामि और वर्गम् आगच्छामि. अहं क्रीडितुं क्रीडाङ्गणं गच्छामि. किमर्थं क्रीडाङ्गणं गच्छामि? क्रीडितुं क्रीडाङ्गणं गच्छामि.
क्रीडाङ्गणं गच्छामि. ओके, क्रीडितुं
क्रीडाङ्गणं गच्छामि. आम्,
गच्छामि. ओके, थैंक यू.
सत्यं. कथयति मा?
क्रीडितुं
आगामि भानुवासरे अनुराधाजी पाठं पठित्वा अभ्यासं छात्रेण सह अभ्यासं करिष्यति.
आगामि रविवासरे. Okay.
No, आगामि श्रीनिवासरे. I said आगामि श्रीनिवासरे अनुराधाजी पाठं
शनिवासरे तु नास्ति, रविवासरे.
भानुवासरे.
भानुवासरे. सत्यं, भानुवासरे. आगामि
भानुवासरे अनुराधाजी पाठं पठित्वा छात्रेण सह अभ्यासं करिष्यति.
अनुराधाजी पाठं पठित्वा छात्रेण सह अभ्यासं करिष्यति. उत्तमम्, उत्तमम्, उत्तमं वाक्यम्.
अहं वदामि.
आं, कृपया एकक्षणं स्वर्णाजी, अत्र अहं पश्यामि ऐफोन्. ऐ डोण्ट् नो हूस् ऐफोन्, बट् बालकः क्रीडाङ्गणे क्रीडित्वा विद्यालयं गतवान्. उत्तमं. सन्तोषजी वदति अहं स्नानं कृत्वा गीतं पठित्वा that will have to भोजनं कृतवान्. उत्तमं. संतोष जी, भवान् कृतवान् लिखितवान्. You will have to say कृतवान्. You have written कृतवान्. So कृतवान्. अस्तु. वेणुजी वदति मम पुत्रः प्रातः क्रीडित्वा. वेणुजी, क्रीडित्वा. You just look at it here. See, क्रीडित्वा. प्रातः क्रीडित्वा स्नानं कृत्वा स्नात्वा. That's a different verb. स्नात्वा अल्पाहारं खादिष्यति. उत्तमम्, उत्तमम्. Means this is in the future though, huh? You're saying he will do. मम भगिनी प्रातः काले स्नानं कृत्वा भोजनं च कृत्वा पाठशालां गमिष्यति. Not पाठशालायां. And it is all, Sudhaji, it is one word, huh? Pathashalam. Pathashalayam patishyati. But pathashalam gamishyati. Astu. Hyaha, then iPhone again, Janakaha. Janakaha is one word, huh? Jananya saha. We've not yet looked at the Strilinga. Putrena saha. Mandiram gatva phalani anitavan. Uttamam. संतोष जी, अहं पठितुं विद्यालयं गच्छामि. संतोष जी. ओके, वेट. स्वर्णा जी भवती वाक्यं वदतु. देन आई टेक नेक्स्ट.
तत् वाक्यम् अहं लिखितवती. जनन्या सह अहं.
ओ, ऐफोन् भवत्याः अस्ति. तिष्ठतु, नाम लिखामि तत्र.
ओ
भवत्याः नाम न दृश्यते तत्र. ओके, इदानीं
क्षम्यता.
नैव चिन्ता नास्ति. मम भ्राता गृहम् आगत्य. Okay, so if you look down the list of this one, you will see that here it is uthaya. So when does the twa become the ya? When there is a prefix. So sthitva becomes uthaya. Gacchati gatva. Agacchati agatya. So when you see the ya at the end to signify the twa meaning, you have to infer that there is a prefix in the beginning. Upasargaha asti. Ataha ya bhavati. Astu. Chandra Bhagini vadati aham mitrena saha apanam vastram apane or apanatah vastram
स्नानं कृत्वा पाकं कृत्वा पूजां कृत्वा.
एकक्षणं. अहं मित्रेण सह आपणतः from the shop vastram kretum gamishami, to buy. Kretum, it will become kretum gamishami. I will go to buy. Aham lekhine Lekhanim gritva. Mohoday, it's lekhani. So lekhanim gritva. Yochitva na bhavati. Chintayitva. Yochane is your Kannada. So it's chintayitva, likhitva, nirikshitavan.
Can I say next one?
Nirikshitavan. What is nirikshitavan?
I checked it again. I looked at it again carefully.
Verified.
Verified. Satyam.
Oh, nirikshitavan.
Nirikshita is waiting, right, Anuradhaji? Nirikshana is waiting.
Inspecting.
Niriksha.
Nirikshanam is inspection, no?
Satyam. Pratiksha wait asti ma.
Pratiksha is waiting. Nirikshanam is
Does it also mean waiting? Nirikshana waiting for somebody?
I'm just checking. I think api bhavati ekakshanam.
No, pratiksha is expecting.
Pratiksha is wait also.
Nirikshanam is to inspect.
Satyam, to inspect iti bhavati. But sometimes nirikshati. It means
Nirikshana is to look forward to something, no?
Watches.
Yeah, to look forward to wait. Yeah, both.
Yeah,
that's what I thought.
To look forward to api bhavati.
To expect would be apeksha, right? Apekshati.
Apekshitam. Yeah, apekshita is also to expect. Satyam. Inspect is also there. Huh? To look forward to and also to inspect. Dvayam api nirikshati arthena bhavati. Astu. So I'm just looking atra. Aham prata kale yogam kritva snanam kritva alpaharam alpahakam abhavat khadishyami uttamam. Aham agami madam matham etat kimasi शिवरात्रि शुभ दिने पायसम कर्तुम इच्छामि महोदय अहम आगामी मासे शिवरात्रि शुभावसरे शुभ दिने पायसम कर्तुम इच्छामि और खादिष्यामि अहम प्रतिदिनं प्रातःकाले 5 वादने उत्थाय महोदय देवं नमित्वा पिबामि देवं नत्वा अस्तु चलतु नत्वा नत्वा अस्ति नत्वा भवति yeah so what I will do for now is
I need a little help, Anu.
Vadatu.
I'm going to put up my sentence, but it is half done.
No, but you tell the sentence. Vakyam vadatu. Vakyam vadatu.
Mama shvasurasya jvaraha astva aushadam dadatva vishramam karotva arogyam. We are hoping that he will get better.
But Mama shvasurasya. What can you tell the English one of what you want to say?
My father-in-law had fever.
So then Mama shvasurasya jvaraha asit. Samaptam.
Oh, that's it.
Because the same person has to do the different actions. So Mama shvasurasya jvaraha asit. Okay, then
jvara asit. Then with
aushadam
and rest.
Aushadam.
Saha aushadam nitva or grihitva.
Saha aushadam
grihitva or nitva. Vishramam kritva. Swasthaha abhavat.
Swasthaha. I was looking for that word.
Swasthaha abhavat. Abhavat.
Abhavat is past tense or abhavat is future tense or past tense?
He got all right because he was ill and he did all.
No. Suppose I want to say I'm hoping that he will get better.
Past tense.
Abhavat is past tense.
Sorry. Kshamyatam. Swastha bhavishyati.
Bhavishyati.
Iti asham kurmah.
Iti asham kurmah.
Ekam varam vakyam.
Can I tell this sentence?
Ekakshanam.
Anuradha ji?
Ekakshanam. We'll just let Aruna ji try that sentence once.
Okay, Mama Swasure Dwaraha Asit.
Mama Shwashurasya.
Saha Uchadam Grihitva.
Shwashurasya.
Mama Shwasurasya Dwaraha Asit. Saha Aushadam Grihitva.
Vishramam Kritva. Vishramam
Krutva. Swastaha Bhavishyati. Asham Kurmaha.
Iti asham kurmah.
Iti asham.
Yes. Uttamam. Astu. Saraswati ji bhavati vakyam vadati.
Yes.
So I'll take another 3 and then we'll close.
Yeah. Aham pratah kale uttishtatva snanam karitva.
Mata utthaya. Uttishtati becomes utthaya.
Utthaya snanam karitva pakam krutva.
Mata snanam krutva.
Snanam krutva pakam krutva pujanam krutva alpahara karishyami. Alpaharam karishyami.
The moment you use karoti, the noun associated with karoti has to be in Dvitiya.
Yeah.
Astu. Okay. Antimam.
Snanam karitva. Can I say that again?
Amam, kripaya.
Yeah. Aham shva pratah kale. I forgot what you said.
Uttaya.
Snanam krutva pakam krutva pujanam krutva alpaharam karishyami. Alpaharam khadishyami.
Khadishyami karishyami dvayam api chalati. Katyani mata bhavati hasta upari asti.
Yeah, that one I.
Astu. Rajul mata bhavati kimapi vadati kim?
Next time.
Agami vare. Astu. Agami vare vadishyami. So you will use the bhavishya kala. Agami vare.
Sorry.
A quick question,
Agami. Aham agami vare.
Aham agami vare.
Vakyam chintayitva. Vakyam chintayitva.
Vakyam chintayitva.
Avashyam vadishyami.
Avashyam vadishyami.
How do we turn in our homework? We just type or we take we download upload to a Google Classroom, or
you just when you click on the lessons, you will get the multiple choice. You just have to select it and that's enough. It will automatically register. At the end, make sure you're saying the submit or whatever that is there. It will automatically register your responses.
I see. So we don't have to type anything in Devanagari or anything.
Naiva. We have only made multiple choice questions where you're required to think. You need to know the grammar to be able to answer correctly.
Where are the questions, Anuradha ji? Questions kutra asti?
Tatra yada bhavati login karoti. Tatra on the left side you will see there is assignments, lessons, assignments. Tatra you go then assignment 0, assignment 1, iti bhavati.
And
we haven't seen it. We are half a day late, right? So we haven't seen. So we haven't seen Swarnagar.
It will be available. It will be available. Atah chinta mastu.
Can I clarify a doubt?
Yes.
There is a word yoga used in Gita. Now the word yoga we know. How is yoga derived from it?
Sandhi bhavati. Yoga becomes yogo when it is followed by certain consonants. Yogo bhavati, for example.
Yogo bhavati dukkha.
Satyam. So if it is followed by certain, this is Vyanjana Sandhi. This is Visarga Sandhi. The Visarga is followed by certain consonant. When it's followed by certain vowels, it will behave in a certain way. When it's followed by certain consonants, it will behave in a certain way. So this is there in the, it is there in the intermediate level. If you go towards the end of it, you will see that there are certain Sandhi thing rules are given there.
Thank you. I was
Tatra
wondering how
Anuradha
this
ji.
word has come.
Anuradha ji.
Vadatu. Nrsinga Mahoday.
ओमकार संबंधे मम किंचित संदेहम अस्ति.
अस्तु. संदेहः.
संदेहः अस्ति.
सत्यम.
ओमकार
दीर्घता उच्चारणे.
उच्चारण समये ओ अम. कत समय ओम, कत समय मा.
So सामान्यतया वदन्ति यत् श्वासस्य एक किं वदामः
अर्ध समय ओम, अर्ध समय मा.
अर्ध समय आम् सत्यं प्रायः. So 1/3 ओम, at least 1/3 तु करणीयमेव इति वदन्ति.
आ उ मा.
So if you are doing that, then quarter iti bhavati. If you are doing out, then quarter iti bhavati. If you do om, 1/3 krate avashyakam iti vishwasa.
धन्यवाद.
किन्तु प्रयत्नः स्वतन्त्र प्रयत्नं करोतु, then you can do it according to that. Just eka prashna asti. Murugeshan ji vadati, can the answers to multiple questions be saved for a few days for review before submission? Has it to be done in one session? Murugeshan Mahoday, aham ekavaram, I honestly don't know the answer to that. I will have to just check up.
No, ma'am, multiple submission are until the date is over, the last date is over, you can submit multiple times.
Astu.
But the answers won't be saved.
No, once you submit, the answer will be saved. So
once
if you
submit, it will be saved, but you can't take 4 answers and have it saved.
No.
You have to submit it one shot. When you do it, you submit it.
No, what Pratham meant is that, let's say,
Can you keep resubmitting?
Yeah, you can submit as many times as you want. So you have the answers today, you submit it, and then maybe you want to change it tomorrow, you go ahead and change it. You'll have the form open until the assignment deadline.
So and what is the deadline? Is the deadline?
One will be.
How do we submit it? I missed it, Anuradha ji.
You just have to enter the multiple choice question. So the option that you choose, you just click on it and it gets automatically registered. When you press the submit button, it gets automatically registered.
Okay. So until then, we can just save it then?
No, that what they're saying is that you can submit it and then you can keep resubmitting it till the final. So they will only take into account whatever you have submitted finally on the date of the closing of assignments.
Okay.
Yeah, the closing date is given on top of the assignment form. So
yes.
Yeah.
So the thing is that if you've even answered 5 questions, you can say submit it and you can just make a note of what are the answers you've given and then you can just add to that the next time you're doing it.
And the answers are saved, so you can always see it.
अनुराधा जी, कोहम उच्चारणे अपि अर्ध समय को अर्ध समय हम.
सत्यं तत्र को सो तत्र कोहम तत्र ओ इति मात्रा त्रयं भवति तस्य कारणं प्लुत स्वर अस्ति ओ इति ह्रस्व दीर्घ प्लुत सो कोहम तर्हि तत्र अर्ध न भवति त्रिभागस्य भवति पुनः एकभागस्य हम इति भवेत् in this one.
Thank you. It really works.
I have to go now.
इदानीं गन्तव्यं सत्यं समापयामः. अस्तु ओम शान्ति इति
उक्त्वा
महोदय
ओम शान्ति.
Anuradha Mahodaye.
You are on mute.
कृष्णपणि महोदय कृपया वदतु.
No, just go ahead and wrap up. That's okay. I had muted everybody.
Statement. Piyusha kam pashyati. Is it that you have assumed Bhavan there?
Satyam, there is a masculine intention in that.
Okay. But otherwise, because you are addressing a student, it could be Piyusha kam pashyasi.
Satyam, Satyam, Satyam. So if I'm saying kam pashyati, then the question is Bhavan kam pashyati.
Kam pashyati is assumed.
Satyam.
Oh,
Otherwise, it's Tvam. If I have inferred Tvam, it would have been pashyasi.
Yeah.
That is what.
I thought because you are addressing a student, it is in the second person.
Naiva, naiva. Kam pashyati. Bhavan kam pashyati. Second person eva asti, but it is the formal form.
Formal. Yeah, that I understand. And similarly, when you say kurma, without the visarga, it is ajñarthaka.
Satyam, Satyam, Satyam.
Kurmaha is vartamana, lat.
Satyam, Satyam, Satyam.
It's only kurma, it is the ajñarthaka imperative mode.
Imperative mode. Let us do. Kurma. So,
because I thought I'm not hearing the visarga, or is it that they
Astu. Tari samapayama Om Shantihi iti uktva samapayama. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Anuradha ji, when is the next class?
Ravivasare eka vargaha bhavishyati. This is for the Ritambhara Wellness Group. We were supposed to meet yesterday, but I traveled to Kolkata.
Yeah.
Meet one last time as the Ritambhara group on Sunday, 24th, from 4 to 5.
Okay. Okay. And this class,
then we will only do the Monday classes.
Monday, same time.
Satyam. Saptavadanataha Ashtavadana Sardha Ashtavadana Paryantam. Max. Sapada Ashtavadanam. So we'll try and finish by 8:15 because people have other commitments as well. So max, if we spill over, maximum 15 minutes we'll do it. Because the group is a little biggish, then it's nice to get questions and answers and all. So, astu.
For me, it is okay even if 2 hours.
That is that's every Sunday, right, Anuradha ji? Every Sunday.
Every Monday.
Not every Sunday, every Monday.
Every Monday. So every Monday. 7 to 8
every Monday.
Class we will keep, we will retain. So Wednesdays will be free, and next Sunday alone we will do one last one.
Okay.
Astu iti chintanam. Astu.
Shubhratri punarsmilamah.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad.
Shubhratri.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad.